First, let's turn on the machine. Enter password to get into the main screen. Click the screen and then you can choose by gender, male or female, different treatment area and skin color. Let's check out the choice for different sport size. For bigger area, we suggest you can choose these two bigger sport size. And this one, we suggest it mainly for chest and back. This one is suitable for arm and leg. The small sport size work hand suitable for face. And this smallest work hand we generally use for belt. The working hand is a magnetic working hand, which is very easy to replace. It automatically recognizes and adjusts the energy density on the screen. Then let's enter the screen for the treatment. It has two modes, auto mode and expert mode. At the beginning, we suggest you can choose auto mode is okay. The energy we started from the lowest. The time is suggested. The frequency for bigger area suggests 3 Hz to 5 Hz. Small area suggests 1 Hz to 3 Hz. Today, we do the treatment for client is arm, so we choose the energy start from 5 and frequency with 5. The first step is to wipe the operation area with wet paper to avoid any body lotion or sweat residue. The second step is to take out a razor and clean the hair and the operation area. The purpose of this step is to better absorb the energy by the hair, better conduct heat, and protect the surface of our skin. The third step is to evenly apply the gel to the treatment area. It should be noted that if the skin color is darker, the energy should be lower, and moles and tattoos should be avoided during the operation. Before the operation, you need to ask the customer whether he has a history of sun exposure within 1 week. If so, you need to wait 1 week before the operation. Our energy and frequency are turned, and we are ready to start the operation. When you see the handle temperature on the screen getting lower and feel the temperature of the working hand is cool, you can start working. While operating, ask the customer whether they feel warm or painful. If the customer feels okay, we can also increase the energy by 1 or 2. Each energy increase the 1 or 2 energy values. For small parts, you can operate for 2 to 3 minutes and ask the customers about their feelings. If they feel a little painful, can also turn down the energy. Continue to operate and absorb clinical endpoint while operating. First point, keep your hand 2 to 3 cm away from the skin and feel the heat. This means the treatment is okay. Second point, if we see the client's skin is red and even has some small rashes, this means the treatment is done. Uniform operation can conduct heat better. Of course, if the treatment area is large and long, we can also use lines to divide the area for operation. We see redness on client's skin, indicating that the clinical endpoint has been reached. We clean the client's skin. Then let's talk about post-operation care. First, we can give customers ice compressors after surgery. Second, don't wear too tight clothes, which is not conducive to heat dissipation. Third, pay attention to sun protection and add more water to the skin. When operating the beard, most of the time, fixed point operation is used and the energy is adjusted from the lowest. To operation the legs, we can adjust the energy from 4, sliding the operation. We can also divide the area into sections to operate. Next, we will show you the recommendations parameter for other operating parts. For underarm, bikini, and beard, we start with the minimum energy. We recommend fixed point operation, frequency 1, and no more than 3 Hz for sliding operation. For large parts, start from 5 and sliding mode. The energy can be increased according to the customer's feeling. The recommendation frequency is 3 Hz to 5 Hz. Then let's take a look at the operation of expert mode. We mainly adjust the pulse width. For large parts such as the back, arms, and legs, we can choose the pulse width of 40 to 50 ms, and the energy can be adjusted from 7 with a frequency of 3 to 5 Hz. For small parts such as underarm and bikini, we can choose the pulse width of 20 to 30. And the energy can be adjusted from 3 to 5 with a frequency of 1 to 3 Hz.